In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on restricted mode in YouTube PC. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. Let's open YouTube. Turning on restricted mode in YouTube on a PC is a helpful feature for users who want to filter out potentially mature or inappropriate content from their viewing experience. This is especially useful for parents, schools, or shared devices where young users might access YouTube. Restricted mode hides videos that may contain adult themes, explicit language, or other flagged content, even if it's not strictly age-restricted. Additionally, enabling this mode can help users focus on educational or family-friendly content by reducing exposure to distracting or unsuitable recommendations. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Restricted Mode. In the pop-up, turn on Restricted Mode. After you turn on restricted mode, YouTube should restart automatically and the restricted mode will be in effect. Following these steps, you can turn on restricted mode on YouTube PC easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.